Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Knockout roses have really become popular in the last couple of years. Why? Well, partly because they don't seem to have nearly the fungal problems that their traditional hybrid teas and some of the other floribundas seem to have. But I am going to say that one thing you need to think about with this knockout rose is that it does tend to grow out of bounds. It's sort of a large, bushy type rose, and you can see we've got kind of a large, bushy plant here. When your plant gets too out of bounds or too bushy, or it does get some thrip problems on occasion, you need to come back in, find a bud, and trim it back. Now, typically, it's not going to be, a real long stem like you'd have on a hybrid tea. The knockout rose is a very compact-looking bush, so don't feel bad that you have to make it more bush-like, because that's exactly what the knockout rose was designed to be. It'll cut down some of your fungus by using the knockout rose, so it's a good landscape rose, and it's good for the person who doesn't really want to have to worry about spraying on a weekly basis. It's sort of a tough, rough rose, if you will. But do remember that you're going to have to trim it back to keep it within its size and bounds, shape and form, to keep that knockout a knockout. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.